Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 2a, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, the messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen and now enter the settings which should be on this upper panel. So let's tap. Now let's tap on the languages, and this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So you can scroll and find it, or you can simply tap here and enter the name of the language. And after finding, simply tap on it. And now we've got keyboard layouts, and basically the number of them depends on the specific language, because sometimes you will have only one and sometimes even up to 7 or 10 different keyboard layouts. All you have to do is to mark the layout you'd like to use and untick the previous option, or you can leave both. So let's tap on Done. And as you can see, in my case, Arabic has been immediately applied. Before I'll show you how to remove the language, I'd like to go back to the keyboard and show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. Basically, we've got an additional icon, the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So after tapping on it, I can switch to Arabic, and tapping on it again will lead us to the English. Another difference is the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So if you want to remove the language from the keyboard, simply enter the settings, tap on the languages, and here in this step we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language you'd like to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.